Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to join an FPL league using a code. So first, you need to install the FPL application on your device. Ensure that you have updated to its latest version. Then log into your specific account and navigate to the fantasy tab from the bottom of the page, which is between latest and season. Hover over to the section of leagues and cups, then select join leagues with the plus icon in the left-hand side. Then you'll get two different sections of private and public. If you're looking to join a private FPL league or with the code, select private and enter the code in this box right here. And if the code is correct, you'll automatically join the league. And to create your own league, you can visit the same website and create a league. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again